Funny enough, my open frame PC case really doesn't have an issue with dust. While this PC is more exposed to the elements than other systems, I've implemented a couple features to help reduce those kinds of issues. The first thing I did was add this flip mod, which basically just turns the whole PC on its head, which is great because the air going into this power supply goes up here and the air going into this graphics card comes up here, which shoots all the dust up and away, kind of like a force field. The biggest issue I face with this system is actually the CPU cooler, just that it's bringing air in and dust does sometimes build up in this cooler, but it's super easy to maintenance. You just take one of these clips here, take off the fan, spray a little canned air, and you're good to go. So not only does this system not deal with a lot of dust buildup or cat hair in my situation, but it also is super easy to maintenance, which is why I love this PC case.